Hello and welcome to Fairport Library's Super Secret Storyline. I'm Miss Mary and I'll be sharing with you the Baby Beebee Bird, written by Diane Redfield Massie, with pictures by Steven Kellogg. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. They were very tired. "It's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant as he settled down in his big hay bed. "I've eaten 562 peanuts today," he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still until... Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby. "What," said the elephant, "is that?" "It's the Baby Beebee Bird," said the giraffe. "He's new to the zoo."
"Well, tell him to be quiet," growled the leopard. "I want to sleep."
Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby. "Be quiet, please," said the giraffe politely. "But I can't," said the Beebee Bird. "I'm wide awake." Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby.
"Quiet!" roared the lion.
"He's wide awake," explained the giraffe.
"Why isn't he tired like the rest of us?" moaned the bear.
Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby.
"Aren't you tired?" asked the giraffe.
"No," said the Beebee Bird. "I've slept all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby."
"Oh dear," said the elephant, "and I am so sleepy."
Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby.
"Quiet!"
shouted all the animals. "We can't sleep." Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby.
All night long.
The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. "What can be the matter?" cried the zookeeper. "The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me, the animals must be sick," he wailed, and he hurried away. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby," said the Baby Beebee Bird cheerfully, and he settled down for his morning nap. The lion whispered to the bear. "I have a plan," he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The Beebee Bird was at last asleep.
"Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby!"
roared the lion. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby!" trumpeted the elephant.
"Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby!"
bellowed the bears.
"Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby!"
sang all the animals together. "Quiet!" said the Beebee Bird. "Can't you see I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap."
"Beebee Bobby!"
yelled the hippos.
"Beebee Bobby!"
shrieked the seals.
"Beebee Bobby!"
thundered the moose and the water buffalo.
"Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby!"
they roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. "Something is wrong," he shouted. "What shall I do?" And he jumped up and down with alarm.
"Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby!"
sang the animals all day long. And the Baby Beebee Bird simply couldn't sleep at all.
Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby.
The sun went down and the moon came up.
Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby,
whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar.
Bobby Beebee, Bobby Beebee,
sighed the bear, and he closed his eyes.
Bee, bee,
ba, bee, mumbled the elephant half to himself, and then all was still. The moon shone down upon a sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. And now every day at the zoo, you can hear Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby in between the lion's roars.
Roar! Roar!
And the hippos, oompa, oompa, oompa. And the walruses, roof, roof, roof. And the eagles, ack, ack, eek. Lovely. But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for very little birds. And that's the end. Thanks for dialing in.